We are at 1805 Quail Point Court. This property is so cute. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, single-story home.
That's right. This home also has vaulted ceilings and a breakfast nook, and you have to check out the backyard.
So we're gonna go ahead and take a look and jump right on in. Didn't you absolutely love this house? It has a pool-sized backyard, which I absolutely love, and it does have 2 closets in the primary bedroom.
This home is located in an all single-story community at Diamond Springs Estates with an HOA of $65.
That's right, it's so cute in here, and it's very quiet. And this property is located near Summerlin. It's right off of Durango. It's a great location. You're right by Boca Park, which has restaurants and a ton of shopping there, and it has great events there as well. So let's recap. This property has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's a single-story home in a great community. So if you want to know more about this property or anything else, our information's right here. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.